Hi guys, welcome back. It's Lisa. If you are new to the channel, welcome. I hope you will stick around and subscribe. Today I've got another super simple glam DIY for us. We're going to be making some Zgallerie inspired candle holders. So what you're going to need some of this silver glitter from EFavormart. You'll also need some silver botanicals. And these are silver eucalyptus. They're also from EFavormart. EFavormart is an online retailer of event decor, event lighting, event supplies, and so much more. I will have EFavormart's information along with my custom affiliate links in the description box below for you guys to check them out. Now what you're going to need from Dollar Tree, you're going to need two different size candle holders. I've got these two hurricanes here, the small footed one and then the taller one. I also have some Mod Podge from Dollar Tree. Now I'm going to be using hot glue on my project, but if you like to make any components permanent, please use something like an E6000 or an epoxy bond, and that will help to make it permanent. These are the items that we'll need in order to complete this beautiful project. Any other additional items that I may use, I will list in the description box below for you as well. But these are the items that we'll need, so let's get started. Okay, you guys, didn't these glam Zgallerie inspired candle holders turn out absolutely beautifully? They were so easy to make and very economical. Well, let's go ahead and get started decorating with them. Well, there you have it, you guys. Another beautiful and super simple glam DIY. I hope you all will give this easy DIY a try. If you like these kinds of glam DIYs and glam videos, please be sure to share my videos with your friends. And if you are new to the channel, please subscribe and hit the notifications bell so that you don't miss any of the future uploads. And thank you all very much, and I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.